In today's Tech Tips, we're diving into DIY power bank circuit repair. With the rising need for portable charging solutions, keeping your power bank in top shape is essential. Begin by unscrewing the casing to access the circuit board, taking care of static discharge by working on a non-conductive mat. Look for common issues like loose solder joints or burnt components, using a multimeter to test the electrical flow. A straightforward soldering technique can often resolve these problems, saving you the cost of purchasing a new power bank. Finally, confidently reassemble your power bank, ensuring all connections are secure for optimal performance. Empower yourself through these repairs and enjoy the satisfaction of saving money with each fix.